started in 1974, but two engineers and two wives met at a wine tasting party for Montessori in 1973, November of 73. Muriel met this engineer that was sitting there and got talking, and she came over. Well, actually, they were sitting there talking, and Pat came by and wondered who that woman was talking to her husband, Dan Rucavina. So we met Rucavina's that night, and by the end of the night, we kind of had an idea of how we're going to start a consulting product design company later called EMD Associates, meaning electronic mechanical design. We initiated DCM Tech as a as a manufacturing technologies company, with the thought that we would design product under EMD and then manufacture it under DCM Tech, Dedicated Custom Manufacturing Technologies, it used to stand for. After a year and a half in business, it had customers say, well, it's okay, you can design this, but we need you to manufacture the product too. In other words, do contract assembly. So we reorganized the two to, and this would have been 74, 75, to EMD Associates doing design and contract assembly of electronics as a focus, and DCM Tech doing proprietary product manufacturing as its focus. And we selected the automotive aftermarket that Muriel and I had some exposure in with my previous employer, and specifically flywheel grinder. So we made the first DCM product was a flywheel grinder. And from that, of course, moving many years into the future, we ended up in the industrial rotary surface grinder manufacturing business, manufacturing and marketing. And that's an evolution of 75 to 2024. Yeah. Looking back over 50 years relative to DCM, what do we reflect on? A lot of great co-workers, a lot of great customers, a lot of great suppliers.
Well, I'm Dan Arnold. I'm the oldest son in the family. I'm 62. And I worked at EMD for almost 20 years. Technology evolved based on customer needs. So like Dad said, we listened to the customer. When we were first building the 280Ms, we were happy with 5 thousandths run out or flatness. We didn't even know how to measure flatness, so we had to figure out how to do that on these machines as well. And customers, have different requirements, and as they define the requirement, we would say, yeah, we think we can do that and solve a problem. Yeah, so those machines are all over the world. And a lot of our sales in the international scheme of things are U.S. customers that have facilities internationally, and they develop and qualify a process and they ban it out worldwide. I'm most proud of Mom and Dad. I'm not proud of a particular product or a building. No, I'm proud of our family.
Work-wise, I'm proud of the co-workers, how they've continued to just be a part of the DCM progress and growth over the years.
Yep. Thankful.
Yeah. Never worked a day in my life. Always play. Except sometimes the days got long.
I'm Jennifer Rutz, and I'm the president of DCM Tech as of December of 2023, so I'm barely a year in. Reflecting on 50 years of DCM is a little bit, it's a little wild to know that my dad Dave is still around and here at the office every day, and we're all still learning from him and his experience in working and collaborating with coworkers to make a better machine. We serve customers who are Fortune 500 level customers to the mom and pop contract job shops. And I think that is unique in the industry, that our direct-to-customer sales approach is beneficial to both subsets of customers. We serve them all and we serve them well. My goal at DCM Tech is not to change the past 50 years, it's to grow from it. So what that will mean is an evolution of our brand, continuing to update technologies and innovate on our product line so we can best serve our customers.
As we celebrate our past, we also look forward to the future. The grinding industry continues to evolve, and we're ready to lead with applications of new technologies and innovations.